Thousands of mathematicians from around the world are in Vancouver right now attending a conference about the vast potential of their field. Mike McCardle caught up with some of the attendees today where he learned a number of valuable lessons.
Watch, something is going to happen there. He touched his head. At a mathematics conference, see, things do happen, but most of what happens is inside their heads. They are thinking.
So what are you doing?
Some computations.
So what?
Some computations.
About, like, for what, or what do they do?
For a problem that I'm thinking about.
This is full-time thinking. 3,000 mathematicians quietly thinking. And since this is a math conference, we will use numbers. 1. Mathematicians know how to have an exciting time.
Fun's going to the meetings.
Fun is
going to the meetings, right? Going to the conference.
When you talk about
your
stuff
research
that you talk about.
Right. Yeah.
We could easily see that the conference rooms are exciting places. They do a lot of thinking in them. 2. Mathematicians deal with things not mathematical.
Or what happens to sea ice when it's floating and more heat is coming in.
This is in mathematics?
Yes, this is mathematics.
How?
That's our secret.
3. Mathematicians have a hard time with checkbooks.
Do you guys ever add up numbers anymore?
No.
Not much.
No.
Not much.
You don't? You're saying you don't?
No, we don't. It's a misunderstanding that people have that, can I balance my checkbook, right? Well, that has nothing to do with mathematics. That's arithmetic.
And 4 is now that we learn mathematics has nothing to do with, you guessed it, numbers. Work with letters more than numbers?
Yeah, in some sense, because letters can be numbers, any number that you want.
Why?
Because it's more efficient. I can add 2 plus 2, and then I have to add 2 plus 3, and then 2 plus 4. But if I add x plus y, then I know all the answers.
That looks very
And when
hard.
you can add up all the letters without using any numbers, you can see why the time they spend thinking is what counts most of all.
And we'll be rerunning that story tomorrow to see if anybody gets it tomorrow. I'm just kidding. I have no idea. Math was never strong suit.
No. I'm not saying you, but mine was never that strong.
A lot of people in broadcasting will tell you the same thing.
Math 11, that was 3 of your best years.
It was, yeah. Oh, God. Hey,
I
I did all right. I passed everything I had to, but, yeah, it was always a struggle.